Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make very beautiful painting. First, let's gather our essential art supplies. You'll need a variety of brushes, your chosen paints, acrylics are great for beginners, and a canvas or paper. Next, select a simple subject. A single fruit or a basic landscape works well. Finally, familiarize yourself with basic color theory to understand how colors interact and mix. This foundation will set you up for success. Now, let's dive into some techniques. Practice various brush strokes. A flat brush can create broad areas, while a round brush is perfect for fine lines. Applying paint in thin layers, also known as glazing, helps build depth and allows colors to glow. Avoid thick, opaque layers initially to prevent your painting from looking muddy. Experiment with light and shadow to give your subject a three-dimensional quality, making it truly pop off the canvas. As your painting progresses, it's time for detailing and refinement. Add those fine details that bring your subject to life, like individual leaves or subtle textures. Remember to step back often. Viewing your work from a distance helps you assess its overall balance and identify areas needing adjustment. Use strong highlights and deep shadows to define forms and create compelling contrast, giving your beautiful painting a professional finish. This step truly elevates your artwork. Congratulations, you've created a beautiful painting. The final step is to allow your artwork to dry completely, which can take several hours or even days depending on the paint type. Once dry, consider applying a protective varnish to shield it from dust and UV light, preserving its beauty for years to come. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring your artistic journey. Also, for an effortless home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Happy painting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.